and accommodation for doctors and staff. The Meghalaya AIDS Control Society hosted the Red Fest, the Northeast Multimedia Campaign, NEMMC, under the theme Northeast United Against HIV/AIDS at Lariti Center for Performing Arts, Maukasiang today, with an aim to utilize the power of music to educate and empower communities in the fight against HIV. Here is a detailed report.
Music has the ability to take us beyond boundaries and resonate with audiences on a deep emotional level. Realizing the importance of music, National AIDS Control Organizations or NACO spearheaded this campaign using various multimedia platforms including social media, radio, TV and outdoor mediums like hoardings, posters, banners, etc. to inform and educate masses across the region. The Red Fest witnessed the participation of more than 2,500 delegates, including senior officials from different departments at the state level, youth, community members, development partners, civil society organizations and other stakeholders. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner and Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Joram Beda said that since the turn of the century, they have made incredible progress in the sector of HIV and AIDS, adding that millions of people are on treatment.
Since the turn of the century, we made incredible progress in the sector of HIV and AIDS. Together, we have turned the tide on HIV and we have transformed a death sentence into a treatable disease. Millions of people are on treatment, and even better, millions of people are not on treatment because we gave them the tools to protect themselves. And the main purpose of organizing such a multimedia campaign is to create awareness about these tools.
Meanwhile, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Director Dr. B. De Cruz projected a grim picture of the situation in the Northeast and stated that the HIV scenario in Meghalaya, as well as the other northeastern states, is very alarming. Emphasizing the need to reach out to more people, she said that this campaign is one such medium to allow the youth to showcase their talents and thereby engaging them in spreading positive messages.
As of now, the HIV scenario in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in other northeastern states, is very alarming. The adult prevalence rate of the state of Meghalaya is 0.42%, which is higher than the national average, which stands at 0.21%. While many of the states and union territories of the country are in the decreasing trend, we are on the increasing trend.
The bands and artists who performed at the Red Fest include Lenzing Domingo and Band from Arunachal Pradesh, Charlie and the Band from Mizoram, Moko Kuza from Nagaland, Pillow Records from Tripura, Toxic Pony from Meghalaya, Voodoo Child from Assam, Alok Wai from Nagaland, 1BHK from Manipur, Girish and the Chronicles from Sikkim, and Somersault from Meghalaya.
A new Industrial Development Bank of India